future. Whereas if we keep on wasting time by doing meaningless tasks, it can lead to failure. Time is more precious than money. Every person who wants to be successful must understand the value of time. We must plan all our activities to save time. Students can make a timetable to revise their syllabus so that it becomes easy to study during exams. Grown-ups also need to save time and utilize it for productive work. Doing the right things at the right time is also important. Striking a cold iron cannot be useful. The right time is when the iron is red hot. Hence we say, I stitch in time saves 9. I stitch in time saves 9. When we save our time, we can utilize it to focus on our health and learning new things. Spending our time with our family is also equally important. It is said that time is the most precious gift you can give someone. Then why not give it to our loved ones? When we give someone our time, we give them a portion of our life that we will never get back. When we spend our time with our family, what we get in return is memorable moments of life. It is said that time is money. But we must note that if we lose money, we can get it back somehow. But if we lose time, it cannot be recovered by any way. If we look at the successful people in the world, we can see that they value their time. They know that time is an important resource, but is limited and not renewable. Hence, we should never waste our time and make the best out of it. With this, I end my speech. Thank you. This is Osman BSS student.